Let's hear from one of the pillars of Pag-ibig Fund. We have here Mr. Ronald Guevara, the Vice President, Member Services Operation Group of NCR, to share his message with us.
Ano nga ba yun? Ayun, yan.
They gave me a long list kaya lang nabanggit na rin yung mga names. So I would like to say good afternoon to all the Eurotel employees as well as the Pag-ibig employees. Magandang hapon po sa inyo.
Sorry.
We would like to sincerely thank you for signing the Memorandum of Agreement between Pag-ibig Fund and Eurotel. This is significant, not only for our institutions, but particularly to our members. On top of the, nabanggit na rin kanina, on top of the basic services that we provide, particularly yung savings, we have the loyalty card program. Under this program, we will try to provide more savings to our members. Savings through availment of discounts, rewards, through their purchase of their regular needs. Gaya nito, if they would be needing to stay at a certain area, they would be able to avail of discounts. And those are savings, real savings. And for this point, ang alam ko ito, we are given up to 30% accommodation ng laki. Tapos kasama pa dito, meron din discount, I think it's around 10% for the food as well as the beverages. So, we are so happy with this partnership, even Eurotel's popularity. Sabi nga Eurotel is the most engaged hotel recognized by Trips.com. So, happy kami dito. Kasi sabi ko nga nung nag-ipagod-round kila Sue, kila Mamrea, it's not really about Pag-ibig. It's about our members who will be benefiting for the clients as well of Eurotel. Yun yung sa amin. And of course, with this partnership in turn, Pag-ibig will turn this around to our 16 million members nationwide. Meaning, we will inform them about Eurotel's programs, the benefits, and the discounts that can avail. The list of our partners, we give it around to our, when we have fund briefings, when we engage our employers, our fund coordinators, we share them. We tell them of who are our partners and the products available, as well as the discounts, the rewards that they can get using the loyalty card program. So yun yung habol namin, no? Talagang tumawid na kami, hindi na lang yung kinakaltas namin sa sweldo nyo. So yung savings, hindi yung actual perang tinitipid, kundi yung nakukuha nyo sa pang-araw-araw na ginagastos. So again, we are looking forward for a very successful and beneficial partnership with Eurotel. Actually, nabanggit na rin kanina, if you have any concerns with Pag-ibig Fund, we are more than open. We can bring our marketing here, even issue loyalty cards. We can even engage you to have a group housing loan with us, wherein you can avail of at most 45% discount for acquired assets. So sa amin walang problema, we can continue to, natuwa nga ako nung sinabi this is a group of companies of hotels na madami daw tayong empleyado. So ang habol namin, hindi na lang yung mga kliyente nyo pati mga empleyado nyo. So we're so happy with this program. So again, good luck to all of us and maraming salamat.